Like, share and click the subscribe button below to be the first in receiving amazing health informative new video notifications on our Drink Eat Light channel. Thank you and enjoy the video. Today I will show you one of my best and most effective recipes for increasing your libido, improving your body's health and enlarging your penile, giving you more length and growth to feel comfortable with your natural ability to perform at your very best. Let's start. Cinnamon. Cinnamon benefits for men. Erectile dysfunction prevention. Cinnamon has a strong positive effect on the circulatory system. This means it can help you manage or prevent erectile issues caused by your blood vessels and flow not functioning the right way. Libido boost. Cinnamon is a highly potent aphrodisiac. The nobles of old burned cinnamon bark during intimate dates with their lovers, as the spice has this effect on both men and women. Ginger. There are several health benefits of ginger, some of which includes 1. Help in preventing erectile dysfunction. Due to its thermogenic effect, ginger promotes dilation in the blood vessels, which then irrigates the penile cells. This root also has large amounts of magnesium, which allows the body to produce greater amounts of testosterone, enriching the quality and quantity of spermatozoon. Because of its power to raise the body's temperature, ginger is known for increasing sexual libido. 2. Improves blood circulation. Ginger has the ability to dilate blood vessels, improving blood circulation, which helps to prevent cardiovascular disease. 3. Increases sperm production. That ginger root is a perfect treatment for premature ejaculation and impotence. This wonderful root is high in magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6 and manganese, which helps in the secretion of testosterone. Manganese is also known to increase sex drive, in both men and women. Ginger equals stronger erection plus better performance. Onions. Isadora says the veggie strengthens reproductive organs and increases testosterone, which boosts libido in both men and women. In Ayurveda, it's known as a tonic for building sexual energy. Onions contains a unique mineral called chromium. This health-promoting mineral works to help manage and control blood sugar levels in our bodies, by slowly releasing glucose to our blood cells. Consuming onions can promote the overall health of our hearts and reduce the risk of a number of different types of heart ailments. Remember, a healthy heart equals a healthy blood flow, which allows more blood to the penile, which by any means equals growth. Onions also works as a natural anticoagulant, which naturally prevents red blood cells from clumping, increasing the health of the blood vessels. Again, more blood flow, more bigger and stronger muscle. Garlic. There are lots of health benefits to this medicinal plant, high in vitamin and minerals, manganese, calcium, phosphorus, copper, potassium, selenium, iron, iodine, zinc, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, vitamin C. Garlic therapeutic properties includes antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, and antiviral. But the question that keeps coming up is, can garlic help erectile dysfunction? The answer is yes. Garlic contains allicin, a compound thought to increase blood flow to the sexual organs. Some experts believe that garlic is a very powerful aphrodisiac, but it doesn't work overnight. It is necessary to take capsules or eat garlic daily for about a month to reap its remarkable benefits. We love the aromatic allium not just because garlic is a libido booster. It is also believed to be antiviral and antibacterial. In addition, garlic can, to some extent, fight free radicals and is considered beneficial in combating high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Garlic's only drawback is, of course, its effects on breath. Parsley, mint and anise help diminish the distinctive aroma, but the best fix is to share your garlicky dish with your lover and indulge in multiple passions together. Aloe-Vera. It was also used in several ways to boost the sex lives of both men and women. The healing and softening properties of the gel minimize any discomfort that may be associated with penis enlargement exercises. Aloe vera contains over 200 active components including vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, polysaccharide, and fatty acids. No wonder it's used for such a wide range of remedies. Vitamin B is known to regulate sex organs. It is associated to the level of sex hormones produced.
Vitamine.
The alpha tocopherol present in vitamin E makes your immune system stronger. It also improves your sperm motility. Calcium is one of the essential nutrients needed to have a normal functioning body. It can easily affect your sex drive. Lemon. Rev you up. Thiamine and riboflavin, part of a group of vitamins called B complex, turn your food into the energy you need. They also help the cells in your body to grow and do their jobs. Just one medium-sized lemon or lime gives you a small portion of what you need every day. Serve up antioxidants, vitamin C, flavonoids, phenolic acids, essential oils, and coumarins are all plentiful in lemons and limes. They're part of a team of superhero substances called antioxidants. They band together to fight the bad guys, free radicals, which damage your cells and lead to diseases and other health problems. Lower blood pressure. Both the juice and the peel of lemons or limes can do the trick. Squeeze some in your water before and after you go for a walk. You may get more benefit from each. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and click the subscribe button below to be the first in receiving amazing health informative new video notifications on our Drink Eat Light channel.